literally curb stomp that subscribe button. Pow! That's got so much cheese on it, I don't want. We banging.
Oh yeah.
Where's your Renaissance Fair outfit?
This is my Renaissance Fair outfit.
False.
I am a Trekkie.
You are a liar.
I'm from the future. Square stock.
I'm going to put this to the side because it's just sticking out of the end.
Oh, yeah, no. On the
No, we're supposed to chuck that
on
in.
the
Pass it by.
On the Kanka
When they ask too many questions, they get...
Well, you burn them. We're just moving it. No! You're poisoning it.
You want little hands or big?
Whichever one you want me jugging from. Bang, 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 bang. Wow. Grass quench. Nice. Grass quench.
Lovely. Slam some freaking grass carbon in there. Thank you, good night.
Still good? What's good? Oh, I didn't even think about that. I was just trying to make sure that I was smelling a little bit. I want to make sure I don't fill this area up with carbon monoxide and kill everybody. And as I step out of frame,
On the other side
and I escape, I'm coming over to kiss you again. Oh, director, how well built and Schwebby.
Not Schwebby.
Schwexy.
No.
I need. Need a paper towel. Jess. Do you have a paper towel or a napkin of any kind? Can I use a sandwich to blow my nose? Grab, cheese. Cheese is bad.
He wants another PB and J. Yeah? Oh, PB and J.
Watch the bone.
Well, you get back over the line. I'll do it over here.
Now we're focused.
All right.
Focus. ASMR. Oh my god, I would shoot myself listening to that. I'm sorry, August.
I'm gonna play it on the speakers so loud at the house. The next bonfire is gonna be queued up. This guy with the butt right here.
Oh, the butt guy.
But then he's gonna turn and you're gonna see his braces.
Oh, I see.
And you're gonna go.
Oh, I got one like that. I got black ones.
Do they have the little boops?
Yeah, they got boop boop.
You got boop boops?
Yeah, they got boop boops.
That's good shit. That's good boops. The bloop bloops. Next seat, Jonas. Do you mind holding the piece while I cheems? Thank you.
I don't think I can bring myself to do it, sir.
I simply can't, sir. Jobas, would you mind holding my steel again? Oh, Blacksmith. Hopefully it continues to look that way and doesn't turn into shit. Which it could. You never know. It turns into a big old purpose. Oh. Sad hippo. Sad baby hippos. Yeah. I'm bad at that. I'll do a pull out and reveal for the next Shahi. A fillop. Just onto the warm anvil. Starts to sizzle like frying bacon. The chisel wears the pants in this household. Why does that chisel have a pair of jeans on? I would buy that chisel. Just like a little chisel and trousers. It's a good chisel. It's a good chisel. Bash, bash, bash. Yeah. I always try to pick a weird day. I'm like, yeah, it's a full moon. I'll make some weird troll crosses today. I'll quench them in strange oils and stuff.
Strange oil.
Yeah.
That's no question.
Yeah, you don't want to know where those come from. I squeeze them out of orphans.
An orphan?
Real greasy ones. Talk, my love. You look so dashing. You need like a cutlass or a rapier.
You say that every time I wear this outfit.
Because it looks great, but I just feel like it needs a cutlass or a rapier. I think every great Renaissance fair outfit needs a whip home.
You're a blacksmith.
Yes, I know. Oh, locksmith.
Would you drive it into me? Like you drive the coxswain in the field? Till my soil, till I burst fruit from our labor.
You're real good at this.
So ripen, Josiah.
A Roman.
My Roman fruits.
Some of the one-piece daggers over there, I just measured the bar and cut it like I made a mark in half. So that half became the blade and this half became the handle. So they're just straight up balanced because there's equivalent metal. Oh my God, they're fighting. Sumi's starting a turf war. I'm telling. So Sumi's always starting turf wars wherever we go. And I'm like, I just want to put weird balls in them all. Let's go. No, I trick Satan into turning tricks for me and sucking my dick. Because I'm all like, yo, Satan, what that tongue do? Flick, flick. Johnny P. Holesmith. I'm here to hole your smiths and smith your holes. Oh no. Oh no. Everyone loves kunai with chain.
Kunai with chain. What is this?
I was hoping I'd get one of those if I just said it. Kunai. Every twerk brings me more power.
The thing you don't want to do is shear it and have the thing go.
Catch you fire off into somebody. We've had that happen.
Yeah.
It's we've pierced several bystanders. Yeah, when you're all sitting. At once. You're good.
Get a little closer.
Yeah, you get a free raffle ticket if a knife gets you, unfortunately. Up. That's funny. That's funny. Okay. Sail. How will you do science with Bernie balls?
Oh my God.
That's the
Oh my
old
God,
man.
that dog's adorable.
That's the old man.
Distinguished.
That's the old man.
He's an old man, dog.
That is clearly a wizard pretending to be a dog.
Yeah.
Very clearly. Is that?
Pick me up.
Fuck yeah.
Precarious knife. It's like Curious George.
Precurious Pratt.
Yeah,
Never mind.
Dial it in. It gets
Mouth
hard,
nowhere.
though, with that angle going.
Raffle. Nice.
Did you say Raph Al Ghul? That was legendary. I'm keeping that one.
So are we just gonna be like here?
You're gonna be in it. Yeah, you got that camera's right there. Oh yeah. At some, if you made a good face or something, at some point we'll zoom in on you. You know, you'll be like, whoa. You gotta get real dramatic. The more dramatic you are, the more likely you're gonna be in it. Ah. Yes.
It's easier to call Marines than if I just start calling the child soldiers.
What's up? Yeah.
I was like, what's that?
I can answer a question before I take
It
a
was
hit.
forged in the pits of Mordor.
The fires and
Pretty stuff,
Yes, I like that.
And I'm on the mark itself.
I didn't know for the longest time the name of that mountain, and it took me being an Amon Amarth the band fan for about 10 years to find out that that's what they were
That
named
their
after.
keyword works?
And I was like, you guys are fucking nerds. I am so happy.
That's the nerdiest shit.
Yeah.
The
Oh, the one
guy
that was
who's
with
in
the
all
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
You got juice.
Love it.
Sometimes people got juice.
Yeah, people got, you got soda?
Your body puts in soda.
Yeah. No, you still got time. You still got time.
No, I can't.
He didn't leave to go to a concert. We're good. We're good. We're good.
It's true.
This is true. Get sass. There's still time to leave
Says who?
to go to some Five Fingers Centaur concert.
I mean, it is why we almost flew off.
It did try to steal us. Yeah. As long as you shout that, it'll all be fine. Make it right through that little gap, in the video.
It was more of an instinct to yell "fail" than it was to get up and try to save it from flying away.
Yeah. I grabbed it, and he was like, "Sail!" And then he ran over.
And then I was like, "Oh wait, I should get."
And then Jay ran over and grabbed the other side. Yeah, it was worth it.